Today we have a video from Body Cam Stories, and the title of the video is North Dakota Woman Arrested Next Day After Jail Release.
This body cam footage comes from Jamestown, North Dakota, where officers attempted to stop a driver after she was observed nearly striking another vehicle and committing multiple traffic violations. Police later confirmed the driver had been released from prison just one day earlier. What unfolds next is captured on department-issued body-worn cameras.
EOS on duty.
10-4. Why aren't you stopping, Brianna?
What?
Why aren't you stopping when I'm behind you?
I didn't know you were behind me. I stopped.
Okay, how much have you had to drink today? Okay, can you turn down the music for me? You haven't had anything to drink today?
No.
How come I can smell it? Because you're wearing it? Is that what you said? What do you mean you're wearing it?
I smell something.
Okay, so you haven't had anything to drink. Would you be willing to step out and do some tests for me?
No.
No? Okay, why don't you hop out for me? LHC 347. Nope.
Wow. Simple DUI is going to turn into this after you just got out of jail.
Email is going to be Brianna Oretta. She's taken off from me. We're going westbound.
They know her by name. Oh, just in time.
The
Other cop was right around the corner.
281 got the lead. We're pulling into the Catholic Church parking lot.
Show me your hands! Do it now! Get out of the vehicle.
Oh my god!
Get out.
Unbelievable.
We got one female.
Anything on you?
Well, shouldn't you know? You're in a
Backside.
I'll roll you over at your knees and stand up for me. Ready?
I'm gonna do that.
Sending body worn down in 20 seconds. Body worn down
You
canceled.
want to do tests for me yet?
No.
Okay. All right. Well, we'll put you in a vehicle here.
Quit grabbing my arm.
No,
dude. I
I'm
do
not.
it easily.
Quit pulling away.
You want me to run?
Tuck your feet in.
See, these type of people are your lifers. You know what I mean? Not lifers in a sense that they got an elbow or they're doing a life sentence. Not in that sense. Just, you know, people that are going to be in and out of jail. That's what I mean by this. Their whole life, it's a revolving door. It's a revolving door. You know what I mean? They're going to do something, go to jail, do 90 days or whatever, 30 days, whatever, get out, do something again, go back. Like, it's just a revolving door, man. They probably didn't even put a new celly in her spot yet. You know what I mean? She just got out yesterday. They didn't even put anybody in her spot yet, man. So she could go right back, get the same get the same room. Yeah, you know what I mean? Welcome back.
I was close to getting T-boned myself.
You almost get whacked.
Yeah, she blew a stop sign right in front of me. I was coming to back him up, and she just, it's Brianna Retta. She's hammered.
Hammered?
Just to clarify, the vehicle she was driving is North Dakota 482 Edward Nora Paul. Who does that come back to?
I thought I had to anoint you, but you guys.
Thank you for coming, checking on us. Appreciate it.
I saw him and I ran back in and for power my turn. We're good.
Thank you. 10-4, that's the vehicle.
She got a bottle?
It's all good.
What's it? I'm guessing.
He smelled it. I don't know if it has anything in it.
Can't really tell out here.
But she's got 99. Well, she's got that vodka crack.
She got Tito's, huh?
All right, Brianna. I'm gonna read you something here, okay? So this is our
Just go away.
implied consent screening test portion.
Nobody even reads them.
The officer shall inform the individual that North Dakota law requires the individual to take a screening test to determine whether the individual is under the influence of alcohol, and refusal of the individual to submit to a screening test may result in revocation for at least 180 days and up to 3 years of the individual's
I'm
driving
going to
privilege.
jail for 5 years? Wow! Ettinger, I'm so proud of you.
Okay, do you understand?
Proud of you.
Do you understand what I just read to you?
I don't give a fuck.
Do you wish to provide a breath sample?
No.
Okay. Good. So right now you are being placed under arrest for driving under the influence, okay? I'm gonna read your Miranda
Can
warning.
they get away from that vehicle because they have no reason to touch it?
I'm gonna read your Miranda warning. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say or do can be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to an attorney at the time of questioning. If you cannot afford one will be appointed to you. Do you understand your rights today?
I'm paid the fish.
Okay. Can I have you open up your mouth for me?
I need an attorney.
Okay, sounds good. So she blew that stop sign at A Street coming across First Avenue because I was almost T-boned. I mean, I was a little bit further back, but she blew through there. So that's reckless driving on top of the DUI.
Well, that's what I had her at. She came up Fifth Avenue, blew the stop sign. Car in front of me had to slam on their brakes, and she pulled out, and so that was the reason for the stop there.
So let's just go with reckless driving with both of those, eluding and DUI.
Yep.
Unless you want something else, but
That works for me.
okay.
I'll get her rolling unless you want me to hang
You get her rolling. I'll take care of the car. Okay. Are you willing to provide a breath sample?
No.
Okay. Sounds good.
See, you know, people get these two confused, you know, as far as the breath sample and stuff like that. These are the tests that you should do. The other ones, the field sobriety test, you know, when she denied that earlier, you know, yeah, there's no repercussions or, you know, there's no consequences for you refusing field sobriety tests. You know, walking a straight line, spinning a circle, count your alphabets backwards, start from Z and end in F, you know, like all you don't have to do that shit, man. You don't have to do that, man. But these, you know, the breath sample and when they want to draw blood and all of that type of stuff, you know, you should definitely do them because if you don't, there will be consequences.
Howdy. Oh, wonderful. You ready for her? All right, Brianna, step out for me.
Alright, I'm back again. Hey, how about that?
Yeah.
That's pretty nice.
Yeah, just come on out. We'll take you over there.
I'll do it.
Good. Good.
Yeah, you can go over to the south a little bit. You want straight. Over here.
Come for it.
According to Jamestown Police, 39-year-old Breonna Areta had been released from prison on May 12th. On May 13th, she was charged in connection with this incident. Authorities say she faces charges including driving under the influence, refusal to submit to chemical testing, fleeing or attempting to elude law enforcement, possession of an open alcohol container in a vehicle, and reckless driving. Court records show this marks her second DUI-related offense within 7 years. If you appreciate fact-based...
See, now, I thought she was released from jail. See, well, I don't know, because they're using two different phrases here as if they're the same thing, you know, like right here, I'm looking at the title, and North Dakota woman arrested next day after jail release, and then you have the AI voice saying that she was released from prison. Well, there's a difference between the two. Okay, there's a big difference between jail and prison. Okay, jail is where you go right off the street, you know, off the street, you know, while you're fighting your case and all that stuff. You're there, you know, in your county jail, you know. There's a big difference between that and being convicted and going upstate to prison. You going up there, nothing but farmland around, you know. Your county jail is probably smack dab in the middle of the city, and, you know, maybe on a little bit on the outskirts, some counties or whatever, but no, there's a difference. So I don't know if she was released from jail or prison, whatever the case may be, but either way, you're going right back, man. You're going right back. Your second one, yeah, you going right back. If you would like to support the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Also, hype the video. YouTube has a new feature where you can hype the video. Helps it gets pushed out into the algorithm. Those are all free things to do. If you're looking for some paid options, you can also send a super thanks, super sticker, or look in the description for our YouTube membership and our Patreon link, and I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you. Your support is greatly appreciated.